Hey, what's up everybody? Wednesday afternoon. It is Wednesday and I just sent out my full analysis of the weekly EIA petroleum status report. It comes out every Wednesday and I do a full analysis of that report. Now, you know, everybody sits around and they wait for that inventory number, that crude inventory number, and they jump on that. The zombies jump on that. That's the only thing they look at. Maybe some of them who think they're smart might look at, you know, gasoline inventories or distillate, or maybe even go one step beyond that and look at gasoline demand. But there's a lot of information in that report. I break it all down and I come out with my analysis and my forecast. Now, we've been long the oil market. By the way, we're not the only ones long the oil market. Commercials in the oil sector, commercial entities, producers, commercial users of oil, they have been net long oil futures for the last 20 weeks. 20 weeks straight, they've been long. In contrast, or on the flip side of that, managed money, managed commodity funds, they have the biggest net short position as a percentage of open interest that we have seen since late December, early January. And that preceded a very big rally in the price of oil. But we look at the fundamentals. You know, one of the things that has been weighing on the oil price has been you know, fear of recession, the stock market's hesitation. That's going to go away. Stock market's going to go higher. But as I said in a previous video, most of you are not going to make any money on that because you don't have the mental game, and the stock market is always going to look like it's about to crash. That is the proverbial wall of worry that the stock market climbs. And of course, the media, they love to put out negative headlines, whether it's Brexit, whether it's the trade war, whether it's what the Fed is doing, whether it's politics, you name it. But, you know, that's their favorite thing to do, is to put out the negative headlines, because that captures attention and it gets them viewership or readership or what, you know, and that's what they need to survive. And I'm telling you this, that eventually, at some point down the road, when the stock market is much, much higher, like way, way higher, all the headlines are going to be wonderful and beautiful and everything is fantastic and everything is lovely, and that's when, you know, we'll be out or going short. But anyway, if you want a copy of my in-depth analysis of the EIA report, go to my website, pitbulleconomics.com, and sign up for a 30-day free trial of MMT Trader. It was actually a bullish report. We had a drawdown in crude inventories when a build was expected. As a matter of fact, last night in the API inventories, we had a 4.5 million barrel build. We had a draw, and if you look at product inventories, they're very, very low, particularly distillate. A nice bounce. Get the report. You know, everything's in there. Read it. Go to my website, pitbulleconomics.com. Sign up for a 30-day free trial of MMT Trader. See you later. Bye-bye.